Hey guys, good morning. It's T. Evans with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you another new trade. It's a 2020 model Bennington SX21 pontoon with a 115. It's got 192 hours on it, ocean blue in color. This was on Lake Kiowee here in South Carolina. Just traded it last week. Absolute beautiful boat. Just needs to get it cleaned up for you guys. We just try to get them online as quick as we can. But it only has 192 hours. You know, it's your traditional L-shaped seating. Nice starboard lounge, nice port lounge. On back here, you got the nice L-shaped bench seating here. Storage up under all your seats. Ski tow bar. It's got a Yamaha 115 on it. It's got your Garmin Striker 4 fish finder, depth finder, color screen right there in dash. Again, it's just a really nice boat. Got it here in Greenville, South Carolina at MarineMax. If you will, give us a call, 864-236-9005. Have a great day.